Installation Meeting 2021 call to order. Invocation by Soja Vikraman.
Instill in us, O Lord, the true meaning of friendship. Never let us forget that we are all thy children, notwithstanding the differences in our cultures and creeds. Endow us with a desire to serve our fellow men, remembering that we too often need help whenever or wherever the need for service arises. Help us to be ready to serve, endeavoring to make our badge of inner wheel worthwhile, ensuring that we have not lived in vain.
Let me commence this program with a brief introduction of the prestigious club that we all are proud members of. The journey of Inner Wheel Club of Calicut is started 48 years back on 1st January 1973. The charter president was late Annamma Jacob and the secretary was Mrs. Shanta Mookan. For the past 48 years, our club has always had and still has dedicated women who share their friendship, passion for community service, and take action to create lasting change. We are gathered here for the installation of the new president, Reena Ansiraj. What usually transpires as a beautiful gathering of all members, what usually goes as an evening of togetherness, friendship, food, and fun has now been constrained to a virtual meeting. But strange time called for strange actions. So in spite of the pandemic, here we are moving forward and I really appreciate each and everyone who has joined us today. Let me first welcome our chief guest of the evening, District Chairman Deepthi Anup. I also welcome our esteemed members on the dais, PDC Shabnam, PDC Sindhu, IPP Beena Shah, Vice President and our incoming President Reena Ansiraj, Secretary Bindu Ablash, Treasurer Grace Joseph, incoming Secretary Tess, and incoming Editor Soja Vikraman. A warm welcome to our Rotary President, Rotarian Ansiraj Kobal. We are inducting a new member today, Mrs. Hiral Sambat, whose presence and participation is much welcome. A hearty welcome to all our members online who are now virtually witnessing this program. Indeed, it's a great pleasure for me to welcome each one of you for the beginning of the new year of Inner Wheel Club of Calicut East. Once again, a very hearty welcome to all. Thank you. Next, Secretary report by Bindu Ablash.
Report of Inner Wheel Club of Calicut East 2019-20. The wheel started rolling on 29 June 2019 as Rotary Youth Center with the installation ceremony. A new year of Inner Wheel Club of Calicut East started as president for the year 2018-19. Mrs. Beena Shah called Mrs. Anu Anup as president of 2019-20. President then installed her team of office bearers. During 2019-20, we had 8 meetings. A new member was inducted during chairman's visit on August 10th, Mrs. Gifty Bright. Most of the meeting had good attendance. Birthday gifts were given to members. Various games were also conducted during meetings. Projects of Inner Wheel Club of Calicut 2019-2020. First one was that we donated an easy chair to a woman suffering from osteoporosis. Breastfeeding cancer awareness seminar along breast cancer awareness seminar along with Rotary Clubs of Calicut was done. Donated towards the breastfeeding awareness video made by the Medical College Hospital Calicut. Education aid for a girl studying for BCom CMA at ECLECT International Study Center Nadakav. That was a project through Lucy Varghese. Education aid for a girl studying for BA Literature was given. Mixer grinder to Mahila Mandiram, Vilimadugunna. On September 29, as part of World Heart Day, took part in rally conducted by various social organizations and hospitals. In November, we visited Sub-Jail, Calicut, and donated a mic to them. Visited Mercy Home, run by Sisters of Charity, and donated wheelchair. Second installment as part of the education aid for girls studying for BA Literature was given. As part of COVID crisis, we donated towards a community kitchen managed by Calicut Disaster Management Team. We honored our teachers on September 5th. Decision that was taken during this year was that three of our charter members were made honorary members. PAP Mrs. Shanda Mukan, Mrs. Katie Marshall, and Mrs. Nirmala Eradi. PAN card was taken in the name of the Innerville Club of Calicut East. As it was our district's Golden Jubilee year, many of our members took part in the function at Coimbatore. Honoring of district's PAPs and PDCs and charter member was done. From our club, we had PAP Mrs. Shanda Mukan and our PDC Shabnam and Sindhu were honored. Our charter members were also honored. Mrs. Lucy Varghese was awarded as most active member of our club. We took part in the various cultural programs, including Doop Dance by President and team, Mohiniyattam by Mrs. Sindhu Sedu, Tableau, along with our sister clubs. Yes, friends, let the circular motion of our Wheel of Fortune, Wheel of Love, depicts continuous service and ever-expanding friendship. Together, we made this year a great one. Have a great day. Thank you. Farewell address by President Anu Anu.
My dear friends, I stand before you with the mixed emotions. The first emotion is pride for having been able to serve as the president of an international women organization. The second is a sense of accomplishment for being able to do so many projects that help the needy and poor, thus contributing at least a little bit to our society. Thankfully, before Corona hit us hard, we are able to complete many projects. And it is here that I need to thank the people that have helped me tremendously to fulfill my duties as the president. Lucy Aunty, Shabnam, Sindhu, and Pramila Aunty have been a great mentors and guides. I thank you from the bottom of my heart for all your support and guidance. My core committee members, who also happen to be my family members, have been incredible pillars of support. My treasurer cum mother-in-law has been very understanding and more enthusiastic than me in taking up the position. I consider myself very lucky for that. Same goes with my secretary cum sister-in-law. Thank you, Mommy and Bilchechi. Each and every member has been friendly, understanding, and supportive for every cause. I thank each and everyone for believing in me. As a final token of appreciation, I would like to give a small cash gift to our office staffs, Mr. Bharathan and Mr. Ashokan, for their support and help. Requesting Mr. Bharathan and Ashokan to accept this small gift. Thanks. And now it's time to put our belief and provide our wholehearted support to the incoming President, Reena and Siraj. I wish you all the best to carry this forward. Yes, these are challenging times, but on behalf of all of us, I ensure our full support. It was a great experience to be the president of this club, and I will cherish it forever. Thank you so much, everyone. Stay home, stay safe, and remember, we will overcome this. Thank you. Next is introduction of new president by PDC Shabnam Mohammed.
Mukkam is a village in Kozhikode district, made famous by the legendary star-crossed lovers Mohiuddin and Kanjanamala. Our incoming president is from the same Mukkam, where romance is there on the banks of Iravanyipura, in the bylanes of the village, and in the air they breathe. Born to Paradayil Madhavan Nair and Radha on April 21st as the eldest of their two daughters, she completed her pre-degree and degree from Manjeri NSS College and B.Ed from Farooq Training College.
I install PDC Shabnam Mohammed as my treasurer. I install Bindu Abhilash as my vice president of the club. I install Nisa Sakir as my ISO. I install Soja Vikraman as my editor.
Acceptance speech by our President.
Dear Innerville President, Mrs. Anu, Chief Guest District Chairman, Innerville District 320, Mrs. Deepti Anu, who will joining us in the required slot for the Chief Guest address and enriching us with her Innerville's wisdom of words, advices and blessings. Other esteemed dignitaries on the dais, senior Innerville members, fellow members, my other team members, invited guests and friends watching this live swearing-in ceremony from their comfort zones via YouTube live stream. A warm good evening to one and all. Let me first congratulate Anu and her team for their wonderful work and projects they did execute, and I would definitely need your advices and cooperation throughout my tenure. It gives me immense pleasure to stand here to address you all as the 40th president of this prestigious club. This moment will be cherished throughout my life, and I am thankful to my club members for giving me this privilege. It is very unfortunate that we are not in a position to conduct a fully physical installation ceremony due to this pandemic crisis and due to the restrictions by the government. And I am really sorry for my other dear club members who are not able to attend this program physically. Ever since I joined my club in 2007, I had the opportunity to rub shoulders with a lot of lady friends from all walks of life, and fortunate enough to know them and mix with them and enjoy the fellowship and bonding. I am sure if I hadn't joined this Innerville moment, I wouldn't have known a lot of them. There are really some stalwarts in our club, and they are the backbones of this elite club, and I look upon them as my mentors in helping me in rendering our service and friendship activities. The very purpose of joining a ladies-only club like this is to do humanitarian activities for the less privileged, especially for women and child in particular, and of course for the friendship and fellowship we do enjoy. Friends, we are really fortunate and a blessed lot. There are a lot of women and children who are less fortunate with their sufferings and hardships. This year's theme is Lead the Change. And therefore, we as a group should lead and raise to the occasion and from the bottom of our heart, and should try to do whatever good do under privileged women and children. The little deed we do them can make a big change to them. Friends, together we can lead and do wonders, and I am definitely sure that my team as well as my dear members would support me in leading me to uphold the objectives of this movement and in bringing a change to the sufferings of the needy around us. By doing these small deeds, I am sure Almighty will shower blessings to us in various formats when it is highly needed for each one of us. I will be discussing with my team with regard to the district priorities set by my chairman, and would definitely follow in line with the goals set and accomplish the target. Once again, requesting the wholehearted cooperation from all the members in upholding and rendering the objectives of our great movement. Thank you all. Committee members of Innerville Club of Calicut is 2020-21. President myself, Reena Anusraj. Secretary, Tess Jose. Treasurer, Shabnam Muhammad, PDC Shabnam Muhammad. ISO, Nisa Sakir. Editor, Soja Vikraman. IPP, Anu Anup. Vice President, Bindu Abhilash. Joint Secretary, Reena Rajgopal. Other committee members, Mrs. Prabha Sundardas, Mrs. Nisha Murali, Mrs. Binu Rahul, Mrs. Pooja Lulla, Mrs. Tina Ajit, and Mrs. Seena Sunny. Advisory board members, Mrs. Lucy Varghese, Mrs. PDC Sindhu Sedu, Mrs. Pramila Unni, Mrs. Shareen Gangadhar, Mrs. Usha Haridas, and Aarti and Shah. Next, we have the introduction of the chief guest, Chairman Deepti Anu by Sindhu Sedu, PDC Sindhu Sedu.
Dignitaries on the dais and my dear Innerville friends, I am very happy and thank President Reena Anusraj for giving me this opportunity to introduce my dear friend Deepti Anu, District Chairman of Innerville District 320. Deepthi belonged to the city of Looms, Canano, but since childhood was in Riyadh, Saudi Arabia, where she did her complete schooling. An interior designer by profession and was also the best student for the batch of 1999-2003, BSc Interior Designing at Sridevi College, Mangalore. Got married and moved to the Queen of Hills, Ooty. She has done her Masters in Tourism and also hold a diploma in Airline Management and IATA. She has worked as a tourism faculty in various colleges in Ooty and later worked with Light and Life Academy, a photography college, as their manager operations and student relations for almost 5 years. Currently, she is very actively involved in Innoveel. Her husband, Rotarian PHF, KP Anu, was the director of a management college in Ooty and now deals with property development and construction of villas with Sansit Properties. He is actively involved in Rotary and was the GGR and Assistant Governor of Rotary District 3202 in the past years. Her son is in the 12th grade at the Lawrence School, Lovedale. She is also the grandniece of Padma Bhushan KPP Nambiar, the founder chairman of Keltron. She joined Innoveel Club of KT Valley in 2007 and was the club president in 2009 and 10 when I was the club president of Calicut East and when our PDC Shabnam Mohammed was the chairman. The CGR Group 4 in 2011-12. She was the secretary of District Assembly Kurinyi in 2012, Nila District Conference Chairman in 2014. And meanwhile, she has held various offices in the club as well. Entered the District Executive Committee as the District Editor in 2015 and then has been the District ISO for the year 2016-17, District Treasurer for the year 17-18, District Secretary in 2018-19 and the District Vice Chairman in 2019-20. Ladies, let me present before you charming Deepthi Anup, District Chairman of Innoveel District 320, who will lead the change in the Innoveel year 2020-21. Thank you.
Incoming and outgoing team, past leaders of Innoveel Club of Calicut East, members and Rotarians. A very good evening to one and all. Though I cannot see you all and you all can see me, this is the change in times, this is the change in technology. We move with technology. Though I have a second home in Calicut, I keep visiting Calicut very often, but I've never been able to visit your club till date. And today, when I have been invited as a chief guest to your club, I am unable to interact with you all. Nevertheless, we move on this way. Innoveel Club of Calicut East is a very popular name in the district and association. We had the first association president from our district, from your club, past association president Shanta Mokan. Shanta Auntie, I fondly call her, and she has always been my well-wisher, and it feels very good when I interact with her. My dear friends PDC Shabnam Mohammed and PDC Sindhu Setu, they have been a big support to me for my existence in Innoveel District EC. And PDC Shabnam Mohammed was the district chairman when I was the president of my club, and today I am in her home club as the chief guest. Life travels a long way. Thank you, Shabnam. PDC Sindhu Setu, another asset to your club and an asset of a friend to me. We have all worked together in Innoveel, we have travelled together for Innoveel, and I'm indebted to both of them for making me strong in Innoveel, standing by me through the years, and also making me learn a lot about Innoveel. Congratulations to outgoing President Anu Anup. You have done wonderful projects for the year and made the club proud. Congratulations to the incoming, to the newly installed President Reena Anusraj. This is definitely not an ordinary year for you. 2020-21 is a special year. We need to take it in a different way. The potential within you is greater than the obstacles around you. knowing that with the right guidance from the efficient past leaders and the support from your club members, you will be able to do an amazing year. Let me just tell all of you that you may not be able to do the normal projects in the regular way, but you can definitely do it very differently, in a new style, in a new way, very innovatively. Innerwheel is definitely service oriented, but it does not mean that you have to do projects like cash help or contributing something or donating something. Service is much beyond that, and this year we have got the opportunity to do projects in a very different way. Everything in a very new style. Even I had various challenges that I had to face. All of you would know that the club officers training program was done very differently this year. It was an online training program, and at this point let me just mention past association president Shanta Mokan, PDC Shabnam Mohammed, PDC Sindhu Setu, President Reena, ISO Nisa Zakir, and other members who had attended this COTS online program. Thanks much for your presence, and I'm sure it was very useful and effective. Just like this, you can think out of the box and do various projects differently in a very innovative way. International Innerwheel theme for this year is Lead the Change, and Reena and team, the new way, in a new style, when you do projects, you will definitely be leading the change. I appreciate your decision to move ahead with the installation program in this semi-virtual way, and we ladies at Innerwheel, we often feel that we are technologically challenged, that we cannot use laptop, we cannot use online stuff, we are not made for this online stuff, and all those things are meant only for the men of the house or the children. But you all would agree that in these days of COVID-19, we have stepped out of our family and work zone and ventured into the e-world in the comfort zones of our family. We the women have made this possible. Innerwheel Club of Calicut East can be proud that today the members who are not here, the members and other members from other clubs and Rotarians are all watching this installation program live on YouTube streaming. Reena, you're already leading the change. You start right from here, and it's just a suggestion. You can also have a project to train members for easy online access. Those members who are not comfortable with these apps and all those kind of things, you can personally go there, download these apps for them and help them, guide them to use these, because for the next few months definitely all meetings will be virtual, all projects will be virtual, and I'm sure you will have more attendance on virtual meetings, so this can be one try that you can do. Association President Vasudha Chandrachud, who is also a good friend of Shabnam Mohammed, has given us certain goals for the year. HOPE, H for Health and Hygiene, O for Orphanage, P for Patriotism, and E for Environment. H, Health and Hygiene. To be healthy is always very important, and in this COVID-19 pandemic time, we must stay safe and take care of our health. Social distancing and wearing masks is very important. You can do awareness projects or slides based on these and circulate, and a lot of such health related projects you will be able to do this year. And O is for care for old people and education to orphans. Education projects you have already been doing. You can identify orphans and give them help, educational help. P, patriotism. Let us be responsible Indians. Association President Vasudha Chandrachud, in her message during the COTS program, she had told, let us start projects with a namaste and end with national anthem. These are small things which you can do. Please do try it out. And celebrate national days, revive heritage properties, honor families of freedom fighters, martyrs, soldiers. In Calicut, you have a lot of such families whom you can pay your respect to and recognize them. And an awareness on importance of voting. All these are some projects which you can do based on, around this title of patriotism. environment, you can do projects based on awareness for the need of clean and green environment. You can plant trees in your own garden, give saplings as mementos of gifts than the regular ones. So such kind of things, when we do, we make it an eco-friendly environment as well. All these are projects. It is not compulsory to do all these projects. It is just guiding factors to help you choose projects for the year. For now, you do not need to step out and do projects. Be safe, be at home. That is more important now. Do not worry about reports, or do not worry about chairman visit. We will take it as it comes. We will take it easy. In my address at courts, and I had sent a mail to the presidents recently. This is with regard to celebrating the National Doctors' Day on July 1st. You can do something to honor and show your respect to the doctors of the town. Not only of the town, you have a lot of doctors in your Rotary and the Inner Wheel clubs. It will be nice to show, do something to show a small gesture of respect and honoring them. I think they all definitely deserve a salute and much respect. You do not need to step out and meet and greet them to do these projects. You can do it virtually as well in some way or the other, like some video message or a photo collage, something to just make them feel good and wish them wellness. As you all would know, International Inner Wheel Convention this time is happening in India, Jaipur, in March 2021. It is the first time that it is happening in India, and PDC Sindhu Setu is the district coordinator for this event. Sindhu, I would request you to brief them on the significance of attending this event and get large registrations from your club. In this distressed days of COVID-19, when there is absolutely no travel movement, I never did think that I will be able to come and interact with you all at this point of time. Thank you, President Reena, for inviting me here as the chief guest today. And congratulations and best wishes to your team once again. Congratulations also to your better half, Rotarian Anus Raj, incoming president of Rotary Club of Calicut East. Wishing both of you together, may you bring, wishing both of you wonderful year ahead. Together, may you bring laurels to your respective clubs. Thank you. Stay safe, stay healthy.
Introduction of new member by Bindu Abhilash.
Hiral Shah, born on 14 June to Mr. Umesh Sampath and Jayasri Sampath, is a native of Kutch, Gujarat, now residing in Calicut. Engaged to Vishnu Shah, son of a member Beena Shah. Did her MCom and BCom from Providence Women's College, Calicut. +2 and 10 from SDVHSS. Not only a rank holder in higher secondary exams, this multi-talented one has won prizes in English recitation and essay writing in district youth festivals, participated in various quiz programs, won prizes in group dance and group song. Hobbies are reading and traveling and exploring new places. Fluent in 4 languages, Hindi, English, Gujarati and Malayalam. Currently working as assistant professor in Holy Cross, Calicut. Okay. Induction of the new member by IPDC Sindhu Setu.
Hiral Shah, can you please be on the dais? I'm sure you know your mother-in-law is a very active member of our club. She was a past president, a vibrant president. So definitely you would be knowing more about Inner Wheel. Okay. Inner Wheel is an international women's organization. We can say the largest women's organization in the world with more than 1.5 lakhs members spread over in 104 countries. And our motto is friendship and service. We have 3 main objectives, like promoting true friendship, encouraging ideals of personal service, and fostering international understanding. And there are no rights without any obligations. Your right to become a member of Inner Wheel Club of Calicut East is an exclusive one. And we are sure that you will also welcome the responsibilities of friendship and service that the membership brings with it, and you will also find you among friends and enjoy participating in all the activities of the club. On behalf of all the members of Innerville Club of Calicut East, I welcome Ms. Hiral Shah to the club. And my dear Innerville friends, I introduce this new member Hiral Shah to you and request you to extend your friendship to her. We expect you also to become an active member like your uncle-in-law.
Have felicitation. First felicitation by PAP Shanta Mukher.
How happy I am to be addressing you at this moment. I wish I could have been there in person. You know, the Rotary Club of Calicut East and the Innerville Club of Calicut East both bring back such happy nostalgia. The late PDG Joseph Jacob, he was the founder president of this Rotary Club, and my husband PDG Ignatius Mukken was the founder vice president of our club. And it's amazing that both these persons went on to become PDGs. And the wives, that is Annama, late Annama, and myself, and all the other members, were equally active and happy and full of energy. So Annama, she was the founder president of our Innerville Club, and I was the founder secretary. So thus we went on, and we were able by God's grace to do a lot of useful things in our whatever limitations we did. We brought the creche, which was such a help to the working mothers. And I'm so happy that all the members took great interest in the creche, and it is still going on very smoothly. Today we are here to witness the taking over charge of Reena and her team. You know how the old gives way and the new comes in. And I'm sure they are all so dedicated and so talented, Reena and her team, that they will do a wonderful job. So let me pray and ask God Almighty to give all the protection and provision to these young ladies who are come forward full of hope and full of dedication, full of commitment. So thank you friends. I wish I could, once again I say I wish I could be with you all. Thank you.
Felicitation by Saira Thomas, President of Innerville Club of Calicut Midtown.
Esteemed dignitaries, guests on and off the dais, newly installed President Reena and her team, ladies and gentlemen, good evening to one and all. I am greatly honored for having given this opportunity to congratulate Reena and her team. I wish the team all the very best on behalf of the Innerville Club of Calicut Midtown for a successful year. May all your efforts give results, as success does not lie in results but in effort. Being the best is not what is important. Doing the best is all that matters. Wishing a happy and a wonderful year ahead, and God bless all the efforts and the team of Reena. Thank you.
Felicitation by Rotarian Anus Raj, President of Rotary Club of Calicut East.
Good evening all. Innerville Club of Calicut East newly installed President Mrs. Reena Anusraj and other distinguished members on the dais. Rotary and Innerville are like from the same family, and so at any given opportunities we mingle, join hands and lend each other in all related avenues, whether be it in service or entertainment or anything else. Motto is same, service and friendship. Myself, on the behalf of, as the incoming President-elect of Rotary Calicut East, and on my club's behalf, would like to congratulate the outgoing team led by Mrs. Anu Anup and for the splendid year, and I would like to shower best wishes to the newly installed President, Mrs. Reena Anusraj and team, and I'm sure under the able leadership of Mrs. Reena, Innerville Club of Calicut East would scale greater heights. Thank you.
Felicitation by Mrs. Sally Saju, Headmistress of St. George English Medium School, Vilathikula.
I am Sally, Principal of St. George English Medium School, Vilathikula. On this auspicious occasion, I want to talk a little bit about my dear colleague, Mrs. Reena Anusraj. I know her very well as we were together for the past 20 years. She is a dedicated teacher, efficient coordinator, and a great humanitarian. I am happy to mention her contributions for the school and the path of its development. Great things come to those who are willing to work hard to reach their goals. She has the determination and creativity to accomplish her dream. She contributed a lot for the success of all activities of the school. I am so proud to have a friend and co-worker like her. I wish to congratulate Mrs. Reena Anusraj on her new appointment as the President of the Inner Wheel Club of Calicut East. Reena, you may have more responsibilities now, but I know you are more than equipped to handle them. Enjoy this exciting time. Best wishes to you and the entire team. God bless. Thank you.
Vote of thanks by Secretary Tess Jose.
A warm good evening to all. Allow me to seize this opportunity to thank a few dignitaries present here today. First and foremost, I would like to express my gratitude to the chief guest, Mrs. Deepti Anup, Inner Wheel District Chairman 320, for honoring our small online gathering. We hope you enjoyed our company as much as we enjoyed yours. Secondly, I thank the past association president, our beloved Shantanti, for always dedicating so much time and effort to these functions. Shantanti, you have set a flawless example in guiding us. Next, I thank past district chairman Shabnam and Sindhu for their relentless support and counsel. I also appreciate the love I have received from both the families, my own and my Inner Wheel family. A special thanks to Mrs. Sarah Thomas, President of the Inner Wheel Club, Midtown Calicut, Rotarian Mr. Anusraj Gopal, the incoming President of the Rotary, Calicut East, and the Headmistress of St. George's English Medium School, Mrs. Sally Saju. We also request the full support in all our future endeavors from the Rotary. Last but not the least, I acknowledge the solidarity of our sister clubs. It is this mutual cooperation and harmony that binds this organization of ours. Thank you all.
National Anthem.